This video is intended to demonstrate the TCP data transmission of two WiFi 103W15 modules. For other instructions, please refer to the manual on the Ebyte official website. We prepared the following materials in order to ensure the smooth progress of the demonstration. Connect one of the test kits to the computer. Then open the Serial Port Debugging Assistant. Click to send multiple messages. Baud rate 115,200 stop bits, 1 data bits, 8. Check digit, none. Select the corresponding serial port and then open the serial port. Sending the command at +QA_mode = 2 will switch the module to the AP mode. Send the command at +QASAP = test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 6 2. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Send the command at +SIPMUX = 1 to enable the multi-connection mode. Only by enabling multiple connections can a server be created. Send the command at +SIPServer = 1001 to create a server with the port set to 1001. Connect the other test kit to the computer. Open the Serial Port Debugging Assistant. Baud rate 115,200 stop bits, 1 data bits, 8. Check digit, none. Select the corresponding serial port and then open the serial port. Select multiple items for sending. Sending the command at +QA_mode = 1 will switch the module to the STA mode. Click on the next page option for the IT command. Send the command at +QIJAP = test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 to connect to the Wi-Fi. STA indicates that it is connected to Wi-Fi, and AP indicates that there is an STA accessing the network. Click on the previous page. Send the command at +SIPMUX = 0 to configure the transmission mode as transparent transmission. Send at +SIPSTART = TCP 192.168.4.1.1001 to connect to the server. Now, the two modules have successfully established a communication link. Click the next page. Send the command at +SIPMode = 1 to enter the transparent transmission mode. Click to send a single message. Sending 1234 shows that the server side is unable to forward it. This is because the server has enabled multiple connections, so it is unable to enter transparent mode. We use the command at +SIPSend for data transmission of a specified length. Click on multiple items and send them here. Send command at +SIPSend = 4. Send 5,678 and you can see that the data has been successfully transmitted.